Here we are on the land the day before the excavator arrives. The plan with the excavator is to pull out all these stumps. There's a lot of them. We haven't counted, but it's probably close to 100. Maybe not that many. I don't know. I'm no stump expert, but we got a lot of stumps to pull out. We just got a text message saying they're loading the excavator up. So we gotta hustle and bustle. Make sure we get to the land before they do. Trying to level the ground, but decided since the excavator is best for ripping out stumps, we're gonna rip out stumps and worry about leveling the ground out last. I did get up probably one of the biggest stump root things. It was massive. Well, I haven't filmed for days. Pretty much I haven't filmed any of this excavating, bobcatting, but here you go. The land has been cleared. Obviously, there's still a lot of projects we get to do this summer without the heavy machinery, but we're pretty psyched with what we've got. We didn't find enough big boulders for this retaining wall, but we'll figure it out. Nicole's just finishing up.